80 to 90% of the problem with lawnmowers is water in the gas. First thing I look at is I go in the gas tank. If there's gas in there, I take an eyedropper, go to the bottom of the tank and suck some of that gas out. And I look at it, it should look that color. It shouldn't be brown, green, it could be slightly gray to clear. Or the other problem, if I see water in here, I know what the problem is. And this is how I tell whether it's in there. Most people, first thing they do when it won't start is they replace the spark plug, which is over here, because they think that it's an electrical problem, but it's usually not. It's almost always a fuel problem. 80 to 90% is a fuel problem. The fuel has water in it, or the fuel is old, so you have to empty the fuel out and put fresh fuel in, because you don't know what's in there. It could be water, it could be old fuel, and water gets in there from ethanol gas, because ethanol creates water when the air hits it. When you open your gas can, the air hits it and it produces a few drops of water. And then you do it the next time you open the gas can, you open it up and the air gets in, a few more drops. And pretty soon, after months and months and years, you got a lot of water in the bottom of that gas can.